All bodies and systems in the universe possess energy. Energy is transformed from one form into another. It is everywhere. It cannot disappear, and it is deeply interwoven into every aspect of our lives and the core of KONČAR Group. Our group consists of the parent company KONČAR Electrical Industry and its subsidiaries and affiliates. The majority of our revenues are generated by exports, delivering our products and services to all continents. Over its long history, KONČAR has developed into a distinctive and reliable partner in more than 100 countries. The core businesses of KONČAR Group are energy, transportation, ICT solutions, research and development, and product testing and certification. We design and deliver equipment and facilities for electricity generation, transmission, and distribution. The products from our factories are built into hydropower plants worldwide. We manufacture hydro generators and motor generators, and a wide range of electric motors and fans specifically tailored to meet our customers' needs. Metal structures, including transformer tanks and generator components, are also part of our production program. We manufacture metal-enclosed gas and air-insulated switchgear and medium and high-voltage switching apparatuses. KONČAR develops and offers renewable energy equipment and solutions in step with global trends. We have successfully equipped numerous transformer substations as part of our electricity transmission and distribution program. Such as our 400 kilovolt transformer stations, which have been delivered and implemented in Croatia and internationally. Our transformer monitoring system continuously monitors the status of all components to detect and prevent faults, and to efficiently manage the transformer throughout its life cycle. When designing, manufacturing and assembling, special attention is given to reducing environmental impacts and meeting technical trends. In the area of transportation, KONČAR is the region's leading manufacturer of electric rail vehicles. We produce low-floor electric motor and diesel-electric trains, low-floor trams, and modernize electric locomotives. Low-floor trams provide modern and functional access to public transportation with distinctive design and superior technical characteristics, while the number of modules, interiors, and capacity are customized to meet various requirements. In addition to rail vehicles, we also manufacture equipment and systems for railway infrastructure. Passenger safety and comfort are in the forefront during every part of the production cycle. The main parts of rail vehicles, such as bogies, electronic power converters, transformers, traction electric motors and control systems, are developed and manufactured by KONČAR Group companies. KONČAR develops and integrates on-trend digital solutions into its products and facilities in energy, transportation and industry. We design, build, revitalize, modernize, and maintain dispatching centers and local and remote control and management systems for power plants and transformer substations. KONČAR has developed its own SCADA system, a platform for monitoring and managing facilities in electricity, oil and gas, industry, transportation, and water management. KONČAR's digitized power system platform is the world's first critical infrastructure system certified for cybersecurity. Innovation, knowledge, proprietary development, and expertise have been the foundation of our work since the very beginning. Research and development, use of modern technologies, and our know-how significantly contribute to KONČAR's market position and its success. Laboratory center services are based on expert competencies, quality, rapid response, and a one-stop testing approach. KONČAR has delivered one of the most advanced systems in Europe for maritime border monitoring. We are a globally recognized and reliable partner in knowledge and technology transfer. The long-standing relationship of cooperation and trust we have built with our customers is the best confirmation of our product and service quality. Continuous employee education and professional training is one of the most important values of KONČAR. Social responsibility towards our community is an integral part of our day-to-day activities. We support a wide range of cultural, sports, educational, and social activities. This is us, the KONČAR Group, with a century of tradition, knowledge, and responsibility towards our customers, our employees, and community. These are the values that we will proudly nurture and follow in the years to come.